The iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit repair tool set with 64 precision bits, 4mm magnetic screwdriver and opening tools to open and repair electronic devices. Now, time to repaste the king. First things first. Take the cooler off. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we have that screw, and I think that screw as well. Let's see. Let's start with this side actually. I think it's that one. So, 1, 2. That one. Flip it over. Double check. Yeah, I think that's the right ones. I think. Right, here we go. Turn it over. Right. That one. That one. Oops, missed. I missed. Nope. The last of these two here, and then 2 middle ones. Oops, oops, dropping screws everywhere. Oh yeah, these two here. Very important, these two. Right, just there we go. Now we've got to take off the cables. Right, take these cables off very carefully. There we go. Put this at an angle because I can't see it. Yeah. Awkward. Okay, plan B. Lift it up a bit. Grab it with my... I don't like this one. One bit. This cable. It's hard to lift it up and pull it at the same time. Push it, I mean. This is the worst cable ever. There we go, that took some pulling off. Really tight. second, be right back. Sorry about that, I just went and got something to wipe some of the dust off. There's not much dust on it, to be fair. Yeah, cables are fine. Bit of dust. This is still quite clean. I'm put that aside, don't need that just yet. This bit, you need to hold this retention part down. Do not want it flipping up. It could. I need to change the screwdriver piece because it could damage the chip on the opposite side. So you've got to hold it down as you screw in all 4 screws out. Like so. There we go. Wipe some of this thermal paste off. Record for a second. Wipe some of this so there's thermal paste everywhere. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's all over the. What on earth happened to this? That's proper dried. Careful. Sure this. I don't want to do that. I think I'll just leave it. Doesn't matter. Only thermal paste. Anyway. Now, time for the Arctic Thermal MX6 paste. Oh, I've left my little thing in the cupboard. 1 second, gotta get it. It's here somewhere. Yeah, found it. My thermal paste spreader. I can't even say the word. Oh, that is thick. tiny bit. That should do it. That should cover it. After it's on thing. It shouldn't do anything to the card. That's if anything, that'll make it better. Having all this thermal paste all over it. Oh. Yeah, I don't want to leave any gaps because you don't want hot spots. I think that'll do. Right, now let's put it back together. Oh, I wiped it off of that piece. I haven't wiped it from the cooler yet. Pad coming off. Right. No pads fell off, have they? No. Right, so I have to go back on. I will replace the thermal pads eventually, but there's nothing wrong with the pads, it's just got thermal paste all over it. Oops. Yeah, there's going to be haters out there for the thermal paste, but yeah, I'm not wiping it all off. Thermal paste everywhere. How's it got there? On the other side, nice. Anyway, let's put the retention back on. Again, you have to hold it while screwing it. Get in the corner. Oh god, I hate this bit. Hold it. Where's the screwdriver? Oh, the wrong end again. I'll put the right one. Get one of them in first. Tighten a little bit. A couple of turns so it just grips it. Do the same with the others. A few turns at a time. Once it's gripped it. There we go. Do not want to over tighten, it'll tell you and you won't go any further. There we go. Now the fans. A little bit of dust. I'm not bothered about a tiny bit of dust. You won't see it. Wrong way. There we go. Oh, and put the cables back in. Oh, don't do that. Oh, actually, yeah, I do need that. I'll never be able to get this one in if not. See, can't get it in. Turn it this way. Most awkward connector. There we go. Have I come across? Make sure they're plugged in. No, they're just for the fans. Yeah, they're just the fans. Well, one's the fans, one's the RGB or something daft. Which is which? Right, now we need to put these out of. Yes. 2 silver ones on the outside. All of them. Have I really got it the wrong way around? No. What have I done here? Why is it not aligned? There we go, because I just had it on wrong. What an idiot. Align it properly. That's what happens when you rush. Anyway, align it properly and then the screw will go in. Yeah, there we go. I know I'm a bit heavy-handed with these things, but it's padded. I'm trying to be careful as well. And we're just about done. If you enjoyed all this content, please like and subscribe. I'm David James. This is Tech Tactics. And that, oh, miss screws. Why do I always miss screws? Here's me saying I'm going, and I've not even put the screws on here yet. So, scrap what I just said. I have 3 screws left. 2, 1. Right, now it is complete with this last screw. Right, there we go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.